Welcome back to a new season of growing on Ali's allotment. During the winter period, obviously there's not much going on the plot. In late autumn I'd covered over large sections of the ground, such as this area here, but over the last couple of weeks I've been just turning the ground over, and in the last couple of days just been getting the beds ready. But I don't want to stand around showing you what I've been doing. I wanted to really focus on one of the early season crops that I'm going to sow directly, and it's broad beans. And this is one of the beds that I've just readied for sowing the broad beans. Just dropped some compost on the surface just to revitalise the soil, and I'll crack on with the planting of the bean seeds. Right, I've turned the top 6 or 7 inches of this raised bed soil compost over, and I'm going to then just level it out a little bit and start sowing these beans. Right, I've just placed the broad beans where I'm going to press them in, and I'll just mention that I've deliberately been far too generous with the spacing, and that's because hopefully when these germinate and I see them pushing up through the surface, I'm going to sow a second batch in between these gaps. So these are about 7 to 8 inches apart, but because it's a variety called Sutton, which is a dwarf variety, I tend to grow them a bit closer anyway. I've had no problems with that kind of spacing, so in the end they'll probably be a little bit more dense, but hopefully the staggered sowing will mean a slightly staggered harvest. So I'll get on with pressing these in, and all I'm doing is pushing them in about 3 inches at most, 2 to 3 inches. And because it's in a raised bed, hopefully there'll be a little bit more root run than the previous place that I grew it in last year. And let's see how we get on in a new season. And lastly, I tend to cover up my broad beans once I've sown them under a bit of perspex. Just raises the temperature a little bit more, and I found that I've had better germination as a result of it. So nothing fancy, just simple sowing of broad beans in late February. Thanks for watching. If you have found any of it useful and you think there's somebody else who might want to see this video, then do share it with them, and as always, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks. See you soon.